I tried this rainbow watercolor kit as well as these sponges, so many sponges, and did not love either of them. I've seen these on Instagram going viral. The point of this, you're supposed to get your sponges wet and then you rub it on the watercolor and make cool stripey things. So this is one that I made just on regular copy paper, and the watercolor was not very vibrant and it's really chalky. So I tried it again. This one also has some of the stamps on it, but this right there was the watercolor and it did not turn out. And I was gonna make a video showing you how to use it, and now I don't want to use it again. I'm done with it. But I will show you the sponges. We used Crayola markers for the ink and that worked a lot better. So let me show you that. So with the sponges, I was able to do these more vibrant ones and it worked a lot better. I did some of these stamps. Still not loving the sponges. So here I'm going to use my Crayola markers. I'm going to try the Karen markers. Here's the sponges, a jar of water and a bowl of water. And then I also have this rag to wipe it off. So starting with, maybe I'll do this star. I'm just going to get it wet, use my markers and color on it. This is what me and my daughter did. She loved doing this, coming up with what color. And now you can see when I stamp it, the ink doesn't stay there very well. And so then I tried to drag it to make the cool stripe. It wasn't working very well. And what I think happened, these sponges are not very good quality sponges. It came with these other ones too that are a little bit thicker, this heart one, and that did work a little bit better. So then I tried with Karen markers thinking maybe it's the markers, and it was the same, still not, it's a little bit more, see there, but not quite. So then I got the paper wet first because that is how I like to do watercolor. It did work a little bit better. Still though, if I'm going to make a striped rainbow like this, I'm going to just want to paint my own rainbow and not use the sponge. And finally, I tried this face paint. It is called Craze. This actually worked really well. It looks super cool. I think the answer is to try a makeup sponge. I think that's the viral ones. But like I mentioned before, I think I would like to just do my own rainbow watercolor. I have a little bit more control when I do it, and all I use is brush markers, water, and a water brush and watercolor paper. And it looks like this. So if you want to make one like this, I will link to that video right here. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on sponges versus watercolor in the comments below.